Hey guys, welcome to Mommy Monday. Today I'm sharing my son's bed. He's 2 years old. We got this from IKEA. It was my husband's idea when we saw it. It was like a little clubhouse. And he was like, what if we just put a mattress in it and that could be his bed for now, just to allow him the chance to, you know, kind of be in his own setting, easy to get in and out of it. And it's just really cool for a little boy. So guys, we found this mattress from, I think I got it from Target, and it fit perfect. We just did the measurements with it. And I have like a little cushion on the side for when he rolls. You can just get in and out. Cool thing about it is you have this little door, which is really fun there. But yeah, it's such a cool little clubhouse, guys. You have this little window here. Him and my daughter, they just play through the window sometime. And I just got him this little pillow and throw. Gabriel, do you like your clubhouse? Yes. The other fun little thing I got, guys, is this chalkboard stickers. I stuck it to the table so the kiddos are able to just like have fun on the table and draw on it. I could just spray it off and clean it. Just a fun little activity table. I got that from IKEA as well. And he's sitting in his sister's chair there, but they have these little chairs from IKEA as well. And I found these little chair caddies from the dollar store. And I just put it on the back of it. And this is something that I do every night. The kiddos, we will, whatever is in their chair caddy, I'll pick like a book, their favorite book for the week. My daughter, she has like this little activity books that she likes to do when she get out of school. She's 3 years old. Yes, honey.
Apple juice.
You want apple juice?
Yes.
Okay, let's try to get out then.
Let's get apple juice.
But yeah, so this is the chair caddy here. This is the chair caddy here, guys. But yeah, guys, this is such an amazing idea. If you're looking for a bed that your kids can get in and out of, that's very inexpensive, just to start them off with, and then they can grow into like, you know, a bigger bed. And so yeah, just an idea for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next Mommy Monday video. All right.